Hello everyone, this is Saur Dungana, student of Fed Uni MIT, and my student number is 3035190. I'm here to deliver a presentation about literature review of project management which we had done in assignment 3 and are now applying those applications to new ICT policies in response to change societal, technological or commercial conditions. So before we start on our presentation, let's get to know what project management is. So the completion of any task by a skill set of people in having a lot of information and experience about the particular task within the projected cost, budget and scope is known to be project management. Agile methodology. What is agile methodology? Agile gives you the flexibility to go back into the past and to correct your mistakes or go back into the steps that you had already done wrong and simply make them correct and go on with your project. Process of planning, executing and evaluating which delivers customer expectation product. Before the project begins, we get to know what are the deliverables of the project by the clients. Those are handovers before the project. Now, talking about project management triple constant. So what are triple constant? Scope management, time management and cost management. Project managers can study and embrace proven approaches that measures the size of the requirements, articulation and management and execute solid change management controls to keep projects on time and on budget. Most of the projects are termed to be succeed or failure due to on the basis of meeting triple constraint or not. Let's say if my project has met triple constraint, the most part of my project would be considered to be success. Now talking about project management framework, project management framework involves the combination of the process, tasks and tools used to complete a start of the process to the finishing of the process, or let's say handover of the project. It can be broken into two parts, which may be project life cycle, project control cycle and tools and templates. Project life cycle includes the starting of a project to handover of the project. Control cycle means controlling of the project in terms of the triple constraint and tools and templates that we use for the completion of the entire project. Now in my review, I found out that the Denver International Airport, the project involved in Denver International Airport failed. The risk of it was installation of automatic computerized baggage handling system for the very first time. Mistake of the project was project managed in traditional way with the lack of adequate skill and management. Result: failure of the project and estimated loss of whopping 1.5 billion, which is huge. Learning: many projects seem to meet the triple constant but then fail to add the value to the project. When Denver International Airport was installing the automatic computerized baggage handling system, the project members did not have adequate knowledge to accomplish it, and then which resulted them to the failure of project. Or in another terms, let's say they failed to meet the triple constraint, which made them suffer a loss of estimated $1.5 billion. So the possible solution to this would be agile methodology, giving them more flexibility to the project, more priority to cost management, which would have reduced the total loss of 1.5 billion. Focus on triple constant as well as the value to the business. While you focus on triple constant, also give value to the business or try to add some value to the business after you finish your project. Strong risk management plan. Make the management plan for the risk, as in you're going to face some risk. Make the plan before facing the risk. As you face the risk, do the solution as well by the side. Addition of more technology expertise to the team. Whenever you're installing something that has never been done before, you need a group of people who are highly skilled or have enough experience to deal with those problems or those situations. The second one we found was event management failed. Event management failed due to event management is simple, is all can be compared to project management, as event management also needs to be met with a triple constant, which is scope management, time management and scope management, time management and cost management. If you fail in any of these, suppose let's talk about time management. If you if you are event manager and you are not actually managing a time for any acts or events in between that, you may run out of time or you may run short of time. Also, pricing cost, whether the cost that has been budgeted is enough for you to conduct any event, or time has to do with completion of any event. Now, the possible solution for this would be shifting from venue event to online event. Now, most of us are busy with online platforms or doing our work with online platforms. We are familiar with it, which is why event management can also be shifted to online management of the time along with the acts. Online services won't need as much as budget as venue event. For venue, you have to pay a certain amount to get that venue for you to organize an event. But for online service, you don't need a venue, which in turn would save your cost. With the ease of restriction, events can soon, if not be a bit later, can be planned. The findings about project management uh, would be the methodology has been changed from waterfall to now agile, which gives more flexibility to the project. Waterfall would not give you as much as flexibility that agile has been giving nowadays, and most project managers shifting from waterfall to agile has been indeed a great change for this generation in terms of project management. Project manager is now known to be a recognized career path. So prior to this, let's say 20, 30 years, project manager as a path was not recognized. People would not give a high priority to this path. So as the years have passed, project management has developed so much that project manager is now recognized to be a perfect career path and a reliable one. More collaboration tools have been introduced to the market for better communication rather than face to face or over phone, which would limit the communication to certain dedicated topics. More emphasis was given to the product, and the members would be pushed to the limit to give the best various. Technology had advanced so much in this generation that people around the world can get connected with few seconds and time zones and have more problematic. Now, in terms of technology, let's say because of this coronavirus, we are sitting back home, but still I'm giving this presentation uh, online. Risk management plans have been improved with all the team members being responsible for it. Few years back, risk management would only be handled by project manager, but for now, more and more involvement of team members along with project manager has been seen, which has made the risk management plan easier to do. Global project management has now become possible with the communication between teams scattered around the globe and still achieve an outstanding result. The conclusion of this would be project management indeed remains focused on its triple constraint to increase its success criteria. More skill expertise would have been added to the team to remove any risk. The aviation company is large, so management should be done effectively with all these factors related to it in consent. The aviation company being in large means that you need a group of skilled salesperson or a person having enough experience to deal with these problems are to be related to this task, not just the people who had done project in can come and start doing the aviation company or the installation of a first hand baggage carry. Online service can indeed help to manage cost and time. Moving from uh, let's say venue to online will help them to manage cost and time, because in online service you have the control, while in venue the venue owner will have the control over you. At last, these are the references that were used that I was inspired by to write some of the points in my presentation. With this, I am almost about to finish my presentation. At last, I would like to ask you any questions that you have. Now, I can't answer them right now, but you can leave them in comment section so I can come back and reply to you anytime. So thank you and have a good day.